Ever felt like packing for a trip is more stressful than the trip itself? Today, let's change that. I will show you how to make a travel prep a calm and mindful experience. Packing doesn't have to be a frantic scramble. Let's take it slow and be intentional with what we bring. Each item should have a purpose and bring a sense of comfort. Travel light, travel smart. Stick to essentials. A journal for your thoughts, a book to unwind, and just the right amount of clothes. Less is definitely more when you're on the go. Journaling is a great way to center yourself before a trip. Write down your intentions, what you hope to experience, and any thoughts that come to mind. It helps you start your journey with a clear mind. Remember those beautiful places you visit? Take a moment to remember and let those memories inspire your current journey. Travel is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Even on the go, take moments to practice mindfulness. A quick workout, some stretching or deep breaths can keep you grounded and present. Traveling mindfully can really change your experience. It helps you to stay present and enjoy every moment. If you found those tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own travel stories in the comments. Let's keep this journey going together.